PLI, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. The manufacturers are expecting the PLI, Production Linked Investment Scheme, Production Linked Incentive Scheme to support their manufacturing activity and also export to other countries, especially with regarding the manufacturing of mobile handsets in India. This sector is rapidly improving its production capacity as well as exporting opportunities. The mobile industry in India is planning to achieve 35% of global output share in the coming 5 years. For this purpose, the annual investment required is 130 to 150 billion, out of which the value of the production handsets may be ranging from 130 billion to $150 per annum, out of which the exports will be 55 to 70 billion dollars worth. The smartphone production linked incentive 2 scheme is likely to help the producers for the period up to 2031. Now, India's handset manufacturing market is 15% of global mobile phone production. The existing production linked incentive scheme has expired by 31st March. The industry sector, especially in handset manufacturing sector, expect the PLI 2 to support them to increase the productivity as well as to increase their share in the export market. Now, the Indian handset mobile industry wants the stimulus to continue to sustain momentum and build a deeper manufacturing supply chain and ecosystem. All these are possible with the supporting extended by the central government in the form of production linked incentive scheme. Also, India doesn't have tariff advantage when its exports are to USA. Means USA levies tariff on the products imported from India. The handset manufacturers also facing stiff competition with cost advantage of 10 to 12% from other countries. It is not only the value but also in the value addition that will decide the market share, the product's market share in the global market. The central government is in the process of active consideration for the PLA scheme 2 to increase the exports to USA because the local demand for handsets is weakening. The reason is many of the Indians are already purchased and which will work for at least 5 to 6 years depending upon its capacity, depending on better usage. So for up to 5 years, we can say 3 to 5 years, the demand may not come up to the market, up to the handsets number produced. They has to depend, the handset manufacturer has to depend on export market. The smartphone market sector in India has reduced by 13%. According to the Indian Cellular and Electronic Association (ICEA), of which the association includes its members are Apple, Foxconn, Tata Electronics, Google, Dixon, and Flex. All these companies are also members of Indian Cellular and Electronic Association, which will have active discussion with the government for extending the production linked incentive scheme 2. With the second phase of PLI 2 production linked incentive scheme, the Indian share in global handset market will increase. That ecosystem will develop, consolidate the supplier base, and make research and development investment viable at high scale. This also add value. Value addition does not ensure sustainability.